For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make Bedmi Poori with Kachcha Kela Sabzi. To make Bedmi Poori, we are going to use this instant Bedmi Poori mix, which is ideal for working ladies or if you'll have any festivals or occasions celebrated at home. So let's get started. Ingredients required for Bedmi Poori are instant Bedmi Poori mix by Delishus, oil and warm water. So we will take 1 cup of instant Bedmi Poori mix. In that we are going to add half tablespoon oil, lukewarm water as much as required. So this has all the spices in it like red chilli powder, black pepper, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, then hing, salt, soft, and it is actually smelling really very nice. You don't have to add any spices because the mix has all the spices in it. All you have to add is oil and little water. So this is available on Amazon and Flipkart. So the link is provided in the description below, so you all can order it directly from there. And the best thing is it's not made out of maida, it is made out of wheat flour and semolina. This is done. Now just cover it and keep it aside for 20 minutes for it to rest. Now take a small portion of dough. I had allowed it to rest for 20 minutes. So we are now going to make a very big puri. I have made a medium size puri, and also just add salt according to your taste because there is less salt in the mix. Once the oil is heated, we will just deep fry it. Make sure that the oil is well heated. You all can see the mix is really nice because it's not absorbing too much of oil. Otherwise when we make with normal flour, it absorbs too much of oil. So I really like the instant mix and it's very easy and convenient. The texture is extremely soft, you all can see, and taste wise also it's really very yummy. Now we will move on to Kachcha Kela Sabzi. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for Kachcha Kela Sabzi are pressure cooked raw banana, oil, green chillies, curry leaves, tomatoes, capsicums, coriander, salt, sesame seeds, sugar, garam masala, Kitchen King Masala, Hing, Dhana jeera powder and turmeric powder. First, we will take 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is heated, we will add half teaspoon hing, 1 tablespoon green chillies and few curry leaves. In that, we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped bell pepper, half tablespoon sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons tomatoes, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon sugar, half tablespoon dhana jeera powder, half tablespoon Kitchen King Masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, Then we will add pressure cooked raw banana, which I have chopped it into small pieces once it was pressure cooked. I have taken 2 raw bananas. Make it little spicy, that's when the taste will be better. And then we will add some chopped coriander. And our Kachcha Kela Sabzi is ready. Our Bedmi Poori with Kachcha Kela Sabzi is ready. I hope you all like this recipe. If you want to buy the product which we are using in the video today, the link is mentioned in the description below. You all can either buy it from Amazon or Flipkart. So go ahead and try out the dish, and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for new recipes every Tuesday.